Hello, everyone. We're about to take a quick flight up over Posa South, long-term visitors area, to show you what the population looks like as of December 6th. So if the flight seems too slow for you, which my drone only does 22 miles an hour, you can speed up the video. We're lifting straight up from my current camp, looking east. So this is Posa South. After the video gets through making a couple adjustments, you'll see a dark road in the upper left corner. That is the main entrance road to Posa South that has been paved this year. And I would like to say they did a nice job. And I'm sure all the people camped along it are very happy that they're not eating dirt from all the traffic coming in and out. We've now rotated around where you can see High 95, Arizona Highway 95, headed north. And on the opposite side of that highway is the other part of long-term visitors area, Tyson Wash. The two big graded off areas that we're flying towards are the new water stations, and on the other side is the new dump stations, which unfortunately neither one of them are open yet. At the far end of the picture, those are the tanks, or I should say ponds, for the dump stations. And as you can see by the color of the road in Tyson Wash, they have not completed the paving on this area yet, but I'm not sure how much more they're going to do. The vehicle you can see driving through the graded area closest is going through the water stations, which, as I said, are not open yet. And the next area just towards the top of the picture is the dump sites. So we're going to slowly turn around and head towards the east end of Posa South. So I can show you the dump, trash, and water fill areas of Posa South. And then will we head back towards my camp. as one of my campmates had a sign made calling it the last exit camp. Enjoy the flight. We are coming up on the 4 big blue dumpsters to the left of the entrance road, and to the right is the dump area, and right after that is where you fill up with water. Now we're going to turn around and head back towards my camp where we took off from. I will try to do a few more of these videos to show how the population is growing out here in Posa South, and possibly go a little further into Tyson Wash area. I hope everyone enjoyed the flight and have a good day.